Hello, I hope that you're doing well and you're revising well at home. So let's start today with our topic. We are going to revise today on animals. Animals and their food. Animals are living things that need food to grow and to live. Animals obtain food from their surroundings. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Based on what they eat, different animals are placed in different groups. Animals can be classified as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and granivorous. Let us take a look at all these animal types. We will start with herbivorous animals. Herbivores are animals that eat only grass, leaves, fruits, and other plants. Examples are deer, cow, elephant, horse. Take a look at the following pictures, which show different types of carnivorous animals. A carnivore is an animal that gets food from killing and eating other animals. These flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous animals. Examples are lion, tiger, shark. Omnivores. An omnivore is an animal which eats both plants and animals. Human beings are omnivores because they get energy from meat, vegetables, and fruit. Some omnivorous animals are pigs, bear, and crow. Let us now see granivores. Granivores are animals that feed on seeds and grains as the main part of their diet. Examples of such animals are birds, ducks, hens. I hope you have been able to memorize some of the terms such as herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and granivorous. Now let us move to animal body coverings. Animals are grouped into classes according to their characteristics. One of the main characteristics is the type of skin covering. Animals have body covering to protect them. The body covering may be hairs or fur, feathers and scales. Mammals have hairs or fur. Birds have feathers. Reptiles have scales. Fish as well has scales. Take a look at the picture. You will find the different animals have fur on their bodies. Only mammals have hairs and fur. The hairs and fur protect the animals from cold. Animals which have hairs on their bodies are pigs, dogs. Animals with fur are bear, sheep, lion. Feathers. The only group of animals with feathers as their body covering is birds. Feathers keep birds warm and also make them able to fly. Now take a look at the following pictures. A goldfish, a snake, a crocodile. All these animals have scales on their bodies. Fish and reptiles have scales on their bodies. Animals with scales on their bodies are snakes, crocodiles, sharks, and fish. Let us move on with the types of animals. Types of animals: amphibians, fish, mammals, birds, insects, and reptiles. The important information that you have to remember on these types of animals. We will start with amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals. They can live on land and in water. They reproduce by laying eggs. For birds, they are animals with feathers. They have 2 legs and 2 wings. They reproduce by laying eggs. They are warm-blooded animals. Fish. Fish are cold-blooded animals. They reproduce by laying eggs. Their bodies are covered with scales. They do not have legs but fins. They live in water and breathe through gills. Insects. Insects have 6 legs. Insects are cold-blooded animals. They reproduce by laying eggs. Mammals. Mammals have fur or hairs. Mammals reproduce by giving birth. Mammals feed their young ones with milk. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. Reptiles. Reptiles have scales on their bodies. They are cold-blooded animals. They reproduce by laying eggs. These are the characteristics of the animals. You need to memorize all the important information. I hope it has been a good revision session for you. Before we end our class, there is a little homework for you. It is very easy. Take your pencil and your copybook and note these down in your copybook. Thank you very much. See you later and revise well.